Hi guys.
Hi guys.
I'm gonna be opening this slime packet that I got for Christmas.
So this slime packet is very rare because, as you all know, Toys R Us has shut down. So this is a very special slime packet, and you can see all the mystery slime packets in this. Here's the back of it that tells you what's in it. So now we're gonna open it. It's actually good for both boys and girls. And it also has smells, scents, different textures, different colors. So it's a really good pack. Very good for the money. All right, so
If you go to Toys R Us, it is not shut down.
all right, so here is how it looks inside. And we're gonna go ahead and open it. And it also comes with a mystery packet. We don't know what's in it. It could be charms, it could be a scent, it could be textures. We don't know yet.
Let me see the box. So it says it's a mystery charm.
Okay, good reading. So I'm going to start giving Leon the contents one by one, and he will show you what's in there. We won't open it yet, but we'll talk about it.
Okay, so it's like this orange goo. Squishy.
All right.
Okay. Glitter.
It's like little cups.
Yeah, little
Cups with like
cups with
Stanley
hearts.
cups.
Cups and hearts.
All right.
Mystery packet.
So this one smells like butter, it says.
It's butter stuff.
Okay.
It's butter stuff, yeah.
And do you want to read them for them?
Milk cereal.
Apparently that's the scent of it.
Yep.
This one looks like my favorite because it's scented like strawberry.
Jam and jelly.
Yeah.
Strawberry. Yeah.
I think everyone will like this one.
What is this? Butter ice cream.
It's supposed to be very silky and smooth. This one is marshmallow.
Marshmallow.
Another ice cream, but a different flavor. A different
Butter
scent.
ice cream, but a different scent.
Yeah. Oh, this one has something sensory in it.
Something sensory in it.
Okay, so this one is peanut butter, but just be aware it's only the smell. It's not really peanut butter.
Peanut butter jam.
This one is actually Leon's favorite.
This is my favorite. It's Nutella, but it's a ripoff. It's Nutella, not Tella.
All right, this one is really stretchy slime that we're gonna get now.
Stretchy slime. Let me fix the Nutella.
This one too seems like a, oh, this one has a mocha scent.
This is same stretchy.
I like the smell of it. It smells good.
Mocha scent.
This one is lemonade.
Mocha scent.
Lemonade.
Lemonade, yeah.
This one too, this one has, they're saying a different texture.
Different texture and same thing, different texture.
And that's about all that comes in it. So in this packet, how many slime packets did you get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 slime packets with
Accessories.
3 accessories.
Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and open the charm so everyone can see what's in there.
In the mystery charm.
In the mystery charm.
Oh God, I just.
This might be something that the parents help you open because it's a tricky packet. And you actually have to cut it with scissors. So it's not going to open like that. Do you have any scissors around?
Yeah.
All right. So Vian's going to go get scissors. And meanwhile, I'm just going to show you what's in the inside of these slime packets. So this is one of them. And it's really ooey gooey. They look very soft.
Okay. Here you go.
And by the way, guys, please like and subscribe to our channel. And we'll be doing some very cool unboxing. Oh, wow.
Okay, so it's... Let me see.
Oh, here. You can see which one you have. It's a little booklet.
I have a little sun with glasses.
Okay.
Right, okay. And apparently... Oh, there's none on here.
Let's see, it has to be. All right, so as you can see, it's a little booklet of charms. And we're going to try to match. Oh, it's right here. It's a neon fluffy cloud. It's right over there. You see it? There, right there. That's his match. That's the one he got. It's called the neon fluffy cloud. And I think he would have to use them with probably the neon slime, I'm guessing, for it to work. Yeah, and then after this, we'll tell you how things worked out once we play with it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.